Patrymau iaith diwrnod 10. Caernarfon, sylfaen. Day 10 language patterns. Your day in Caernarfon helps prepare you for the sylfaen exam. Here's a quick overview of the exam content. Rhan 1. Papur gwranto. 20% o'r cymhwyster. Negeseuon ffôn. Prove your understanding of 3 different phone messages. Eitem. Answer 6 questions on something you're played. Sgyrsiau. Answer questions on a conversation between 2 people. Rhan 2. Y prawf lafar. 50% o'r cymhwyster. Cael gwybodaeth. Finding out information. Siarad amdano chi eich hun. Talking about yourself. Gofyn cwestiynau. Asking the examiner questions using a list of words. Rhan 3. Papur darllen a deall. Darllen, 9% o'r cymhwyster, a llenwi bylchau, 6% o'r cymhwyster. Erthygl. Reading an article and answering questions. Adnabod ergyd neges. Finding the main points of a piece of writing. Llenwi bylchau. Filling the gaps in a given sentence. Rhan 4. Papur ysgrifennu. 15% o'r cymhwyster. Neges. Write a short message, about 50 to 60 words, from a choice of 2 given subjects. Ateb e-bost. Answer an email, 60 to 70 words. Answer the bullet points in the question.